What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Zach here at Criticalbench, and today I'm going to share with you 4 primal movements that will help open up and strengthen your hips. The primal movements that I'll be showing you today are ape, ostrich, horse, and then a basic Spider-Man along with a 4-point Spider-Man. Let's get it. The first movement is ape. We're going to start in a low squat. If your heels are lifted, if you don't have the ankle mobility to have your heels down, that's fine. Make sure your chest is lifted. From here, you're gonna reach your arms forward, shift weight into your hands, and then hop your feet. Try to get them above your hands as best you can. Reach, hop, reach, hop, reach, hop. Every time you come into that squat, reset, lift your chest, reach, and then hop. Reach, and then hop. Try to get your feet up to your hands. The next movement I'm going to show you is ostrich. It's a ballistic stretch where you're bouncing and really going to work on opening up the hamstrings and the back of your legs. So to start, step one foot in front of the other, about heel to toe. Front leg stays straight. Every time we do this, every time you take a step, the intention is to keep that front leg straight. From here, you're going to bend from the hips, reach down, bounce, touch the ground, or get as close as you can. And then just step, step, step. Each bounce you step, and you're not coming all the way up. If you can touch the ground, no problem. Work on touching your palms. Maybe even little push up off the ground. Next level of this would be to lift your toes up. Again, front leg stays straight. Just this bouncing, ballistic movement. Try to find that rhythm, find that coordination. Make sure you're breathing. Don't worry if you can't touch the ground. So if you're up here, that's fine. Only go as far as you can. This next one is horse. Now here you're gonna take a horse stance. So your feet are gonna be wide. And you're gonna sink down into your horse. Now make sure your knees are not collapsing in. Make sure you're not collapsing into your arches. Keep your arches open, keep your knees open. Now from here, you're gonna lean to one side, shift weight to one side, that leg extends. And then from here, you're just gonna pick that leg up and step it forward. And then glide over to the other side. Stay low, keep your hips down. You're just gliding. So step, glide, step, glide. Try not to lean forward. You're gonna wanna lean forward if you're really tight. Just sink down into the hips. Step, keep the knees open, glide. Nice and fluid, staying low, opening up those hips. This next movement I'm going to show you is Spider-Man. I'm going to show you 2 versions of Spider-Man. Basic Spider-Man and 4-point Spider-Man. So to get into Spider-Man, you're just going to step 1 foot forward, wide. That other hand, so if I'm stepping my right foot forward, left hand comes down. Inhale, reach that right arm up. Exhale, bring your elbow as close to your heel and as close to the ground as possible. Inhale, you're going to reach. Exhale, step forward, other side. And step. That's the basic Spider-Man. Once you get the hang of that, 4-point Spider-Man, we're adding some things to it. From here, inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow towards heel. Inhale, reach. Now from here, melt that hand down and then lengthen out that front leg. So really try to make this straight. Engage that quad, really open up through your hamstring. Hold that for just a couple breaths and then come back down. Set that back knee down. Reach that arm up and then see if you can grab that foot. Just a couple breaths. And then release, reach it up and step. And there you go. Those are my 4 favorite primal movements to help open up your hips. And let me tell you, they will open up your hips and they will make your hips feel good. My hips are feeling pretty good after doing those. So go ahead and try them out. Leave your experiences down in the comments below. But before you go, I want you to check out this free report that I have for you. It's a report that's going to help explain to you why stretching alone will not be enough to make you flexible. If you want that report, go ahead and check out that pinned comment down below. Like this video, subscribe to Critical Bench, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.